Let's learn to become more mindful with this meditation. Find a comfortable position, either seated or laying down. Rest your hands gently on your lap or by your sides, and go ahead and close your eyes. Mindfulness is about seeing things clearly by being fully present with what is here and embracing each moment with awareness. Bring your attention to your breath now and notice its natural rhythm, the gentle rise and fall of your breath. There's no need to control it, simply observe it. Take a deep breath in and slowly inhale and exhale. And deep breath in again and exhale. With each deep breath, allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them, but do not follow them. Imagine them as leaves floating down a river. You see them pass, but you remain here, grounded in the present. Thoughts are arising and dissipating. Imagine them floating past you in the river. Just simply observe. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice any tension in your face, your shoulders, your hands. If there's any tension, release that tension with every exhale. Relax your jaw. Soften your forehead, let your shoulders drop. Feel the weight of your body resting on your chair or bed, and become aware of how your body is feeling fully supported in this moment. Let's notice sounds around you now. Perhaps the hum of a distant noise, the whisper of the wind, or the gentle rhythm of your breath. Notice each sound without judgment and without needing to change anything. Mindfulness is a way of being, fully engaged in each moment, without resistance or grasping. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do, but just being in this moment. Now silently repeat these affirmations. I am here, I am present, and I am awake. I welcome this moment as it is. I let go of worry and embrace peace. I return to my breath. I return to now. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Whenever you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings as we come to a close for this meditation. You can go ahead and wiggle your fingers and toes, and if your eyes are closed, you can go ahead and open your eyes. As you move forward in your day, remember, mindfulness is always available to you. It is in the way you breathe, the way you walk, the way you listen. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you'd like to experience less stress and anxiety in your life, greater quality of sleep, and more inner peace, join my free meditation challenge. It is designed to support your overall well-being. The link for that is in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would love your support. Thank you and take care.